I am Shivam Thakre. I am a student of Masai, and I am my student ID is FS40390136, and we will discuss Q&A about our project. So, there are few questions which is asked by me to Sunny Yadav. So, are you ready, Sunny?
Yes, I am ready, Shivam.
So, I asked first question. So, what is our project scope and why did you choose that project?
Hello everyone, my name is Sunny Yadav. My student code is FS40 underscore 3703599. So the scope of the Quick Card project is to provide a basic e-commerce platform that include essential functionalities for both users and admins. For users, the platform allows us account creation, login, and browsing of products with the ability to add items to a cart and view them. Admin features are currently limited to account creation and login, with plan to expand the admin panel for managing products and other administrative tasks in the future. The project utilized local storage for authentication data, simplifying the login process. The front-end offers a straightforward design with a product row that can be scrolled left and right to view more items. While the project is in early stage, there are plans to add more advanced features such as product filtering, checkout process, and payment gateway integration, making it scalable for future development. Okay, that's all about it.
Okay, so you explain better what is the scope of our project. So we asked the second question, which is what functionality you used in our project and why did you choose this functionality?
So for the quick code project, we use HTML, CSS, and a little bit JavaScript for functionalities. These technology provided the perfect foundation for building a simple functional e-commerce platform. So if I talk about HTML, HTML was used to structure the content of website, including the layout for the home page, product listing, cart page, and user authentication pages. If I talk about CSS, CSS was used to style the components, ensuring the design is clean and responsive, and to create interactive features like the left-right scrolling for the product raw. And if I talk about JavaScript, JavaScript was used to add interactive such as handling user authentications, managing the cart, and implementing a feature like toggling the sign-in and sign-up forms. So that's all technology I have used. We have used, sorry.
So excellent. You explain about that what functionality you use. So the third question is in version control tool and collaboration, what is you used and why you used it?
So for version control and collaboration on the QuickCard project, we used Git and GitHub. Each team member worked on separate branches. Once a feature was complete, we created pull requests to merge change into main branch. So that's all.
Okay. And why did you ensured scalability and security of our project?
So basically, QuickCart is it's in early stages. Scalability and security were not the primary focus yet. However, we ensured basic security by using local storage for authentication and storing credentials securely within the app. For scalability, we focused on building a clean modular structure with the potential to expand. As the project grows, we plan to integrate more robust security measures like encryption and explore scalability through server-side technology and databases.
Okay, good. And the fourth question is, how did your project mate help in completing in your project? on it?
So basically, we collaborated on the QuickCard project using GitHub to manage code and tasks, and we communicated regularly through team meetings and chats to ensure we were aligned on the project's goal. We divided the work into different sections like user authentication, product display, and the card page, allowing each member to focus on their strengths.
Okay, good. So last question is, in which part of our project you want to give feedbacks from user and enhance it?
So during the development of Flipkart project, we received a feedback to improve both the product display and authentication flow. One team member suggested adding horizontal scrolling to product row to reduce clutter, which we implemented, enhancing the user experience. We also received feedback on simplifying the authentication process while keeping separate sign up and login pages. We improved their design for a smoother, more intuitive flow. These changes significantly improved both the browsing and authentication experience.
Okay, it's a good conversation between us, and we hope our project will improve in future. And so we explain everything. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Shivam. Thank you.